How to fix Instagram messages not sending. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the messages not sending on your Instagram. This tutorial is so quick and easy, so please keep watching until the end. The first step you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps manager on your phone, and now click on the apps as you can see, and wait a few seconds. It will show you all the apps that you have on your phone. Now all what you have to do is just search for Instagram app right here, and here you go, I just found it. Click on it like this, and now all what you have to do is click on this force stop option, and then all what you have to do is go to this data user and make sure to disable the background data and the roaming data also, and then go back and click on storage. This step is very important, so make sure to clear the data right here, and then clear the cache and go back. Now all what you have to do is go to Play Store and search for Instagram, click on it like this, and if you found this update option, all what you have to do is click on it so you can update your Instagram. And then all what you have to do is the last step. The last step is just restart your phone, and then the Instagram is gonna be working so good for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.